What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to new videos. Today's video, guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go through a live trade I just made about an hour ago, because the stock market opened an hour ago, and where I'm from we have time difference, obviously. So I had time to go into a stock, trade, make $400 profit, get out, go to the gym, and come back and shoot this video. So today's trade was ANF. We made 400 profit, guys, in the space of 2 minutes, and that was based on the strategy that I've been teaching you on this channel, the techniques and whatnot. So most of you already know how I trade, and that's based on earnings. So yeah, we're gonna go through the boring stuff on the computer in a few minutes, and that stock or that trade was recorded from start to finish, so you'll get to see how I entered, how I got out, etc, etc. So the position was 10,000 investment, netting me 400 profit in the space of 2 minutes, guys. Trading earnings, a stock called Abercrombie & Fitch. I know a lot of you guys made some money today using the way that I do things. If you actually understand what I'm talking about when it comes to earnings, guys, or understood something in this video, smash that like, because I need to know that we're on the same page on this channel. So make sure to smash that like and watch it till the end. So let's get to the boring stuff, and just make me a promise you do not complicate your trading, because the more complicated your trading, the less money you're gonna make, guys. If you ever trade the way that I teach you here and then go trade a different strategy, you'll realize you'll always be back to this strategy, because this strategy is actually giving you an edge over the market. Anyways, we don't want to talk for too long. Enjoy the video and show your appreciation with the like, guys. But yeah, if you're new, you want to learn how I trade and how I do things, smash the subscribe, because you're going to get more videos coming up on your feed after you smash that subscribe button. And yeah, just remember, you show your appreciation with the like. That's all I ask for in return. Okay, guys, so we're gonna trade a stock called ANF. Most of you know why I'm trading this stock, and that's based on earnings. So they just released an earner report and upbeat forecast and sales. So that's a good earner report right here. So a stock spikes in value based on good news. And when a company releases good news, such as an earner report, i.e. showing financial growth, the stock will usually spike in value, and it's already up 12% before market open. So the market just opened, guys, a minute, and obviously it's already up 24. So let's see how the stock is going to react, and obviously we got a spike straight away. Now I'm just trying to see whether I'm going to short that stock or I'm going to buy that stock, and clearly we're going to short, or we're going to buy that stock. So we're just getting in with 500 positions, 500 shares, guys, at 24.14, and the current price is 24. So I'm ready to get out soon enough from that stock. So obviously that's how we trade. Most of the times I will hold the position, but sometimes I would get out as quick as possible. So here we go, ANF, spitting profits. Okay, so let's see where we are. So 24, 34, so $70. Here we go, 37. Okay, so we're waiting for something. Okay. Okay, so we want a pullback. So when you notice the volume dying off for this stock, that's where you have to reverse, guys. So 24.40, we should hit almost 25, and then we'll get out. So here we go, guys, 165, 145. We're 2 minutes into the market opening, by the way. 200, okay, 218, 234. Okay, so 60 seconds so far, and I'm ready to sell soon. So let me get my positions open, ready. And you can see the prices are fluctuating here. Now the pullback is coming quick, but we're still up 250, 263, 275. We're hitting the 25 figure. So I'm up 338 or 400, guys, USD. Let me show you. So as you can see here, I'm up $350. This is pounds and that's dollars. So I'm going to take the dollar position and 400. So 400, guys, in the space of 3 minutes on that stock. And as you can see, ANF is spiking. And you see how quick I was in getting out, guys, 16%. So we took 3% on that trade, like pros. And now we're out from that position. So the reason why I got in that stock is because of the good news and the future outlook. Obviously, you have to know how to analyze, and the bulk of that trade was based on my analysis on that stock, not the actual charts and candlesticks. And hopefully, some of you's made money. Now, with swing trading, if we had 300 shares, it would have taken us a week or so to kind of make that 84 figure. Now, this is one of you guys making money also. Some of yous are making money. Some of yous are also here changing positions. But yeah, so far so good. Everyone is eating and trading together and whatnot. So guys, hopefully you learned something new in this video, or if you're impressed, don't forget to you know what. This strategy is something that many people as beginners don't have a clue of or haven't been told about, right? So that's why it comes as a shock to some people that it's too good to be true at times. But just do me a favor, open up a demo account, try it out, and that's just the basic what you have, guys. It's just the basics. You know, you can actually make money using this way, but if you want to be advanced and really go after it for real, look in the description. There's the extension, which is the course. The course is the extension of the strategy, because I haven't put many tutorials out there for you guys. But anyways, I'll see you guys for more videos. I appreciate you guys for watching. Hopefully you got value in this video. Hopefully you understood how we traded that stock, and hopefully I earned your thumbs up. Peace and love, guys, just like always, and I appreciate you for watching.